Today, the era of gasoline vehicles seems to be coming to an end, but BYD has launched an electric car that's being discussed worldwide. Its name is the BYD Roco. Small in appearance yet technologically superior to a large SUV, this is BYD's first K car, and the most surprising thing is that it's been launched in a high-tech market like Japan, the same country that once provided the world with the most microcars. Imagine the impact it will have if the Japanese get an affordable, smart, and fully electric K car in their own style. Some are calling it the city car of the future, while others are calling it a Tesla killer in many ways. Its design, battery technology, and performance suggest that BYD is now eyeing markets not just in China, but across Asia. The question arises, why did BYD choose Japan for this car's launch? Is there a larger strategy behind it? And why is this electric car being called a global game changer? We'll learn more about the new battery technology BYD has used in this vehicle, which, honestly, sets it apart from others. At a time when the world is racing towards electric vehicles, BYD has surprised everyone by launching its first K car in Japan. This is the same Japan that introduced the concept of microcars to the world, where, well, small vehicles are the most common on the roads. In such a country, the entry of a foreign company into this segment is considered a significant milestone. Japanese companies like Suzuki, Honda, and Daihatsu have dominated this market for decades, but BYD's entry has really shaken the entire industry. So, BYD has designed its new K car, the Roco, to be extremely compact, affordable, and urban-friendly, providing the Japanese people with a reliable, affordable, and fully electric solution. BYD, which is China's largest electric vehicle manufacturer, is now gradually expanding its footprint across the globe. Last year in 2024, BYD sold over 3 million electric and hybrid cars worldwide, making it the world's second largest EV company, rivaling Tesla. Beyond China, BYD has also shipped its vehicles to several countries in Europe, South America, and Asia. The company's focus is now on advanced markets like Japan, where technology, efficiency, and environmental sustainability are paramount. The launch of the BYD Roco is significant because it marks the first time a Chinese company has directly challenged Japan's domestic car industry. Until now, Japanese consumers have relied on their own companies, but cars like the Roco may gradually change their mindset. People are amazed at how quickly a Chinese company is leading the way in terms of quality, performance, and design. The launch of this car in Japan is a statement by BYD that it no longer wants to be limited to China. BYD has shown the world that the electric revolution is now originating in Asia, not the West. What is a K car and its importance in Japan? If you walk the streets of Japan, you'll see very few large vehicles and small, cute vehicles everywhere. These are called K cars. Now the question arises, what are these K cars and why are they so important in Japan? K cars actually means lightweight vehicles. They are small in size, have limited engine capacity, and are designed to easily navigate crowded streets and small parking spaces. So, the Japanese government actually created this category several decades ago to provide affordable, lightweight, and fuel-efficient vehicles that are just perfect for cities. Japan is a country with limited land and a really large population. That means, parking large vehicles outside every home is pretty difficult. The government has even enacted a law requiring that if you own a car, you must provide proof of parking space. Imagine, in a country with such limited space, small vehicles really do become the most sensible option. And this is exactly why K cars have become a part of everyday life in Japan. A major advantage of these vehicles is definitely their low tax burden. The Japanese government actually provides tax, insurance, and toll-free exemptions to encourage these small cars. Furthermore, their mileage is excellent. Their small body and lightweight engine allow them to travel longer distances with less power or fuel, which is pretty impressive. They are so easy to operate in cities that even new drivers can easily drive them. It really makes city driving a breeze. K cars are not only affordable and small but also feature remarkable design. Japanese companies like Suzuki, Honda, and Daihatsu build these cars so stylishly and functionally that they may appear small, but they're quite spacious inside. Their seats fold out to resemble minivans, the dashboard is packed with high-tech features, and their design is a perfect blend of Japanese simplicity and modernity. Today, every third car in Japan is a K car. Urban workers, women, the elderly, and small families all prefer these vehicles. The reason is simple. They're easy to drive, easy to park, and inexpensive to maintain. Furthermore, even when petrol and diesel prices rose worldwide, Japanese K cars allowed them to keep their expenses under control. So now that the era of electric vehicles has begun, this concept is actually making a comeback in a whole new form. Companies like BYD are developing electric K cars to offer Japanese people the same convenience they already enjoy, but, without the pollution. This is exactly why cars like the BYD Roco are becoming a center of attraction for the Japanese. K cars are honestly an important part of Japanese culture. They're not just vehicles, but a philosophy of simplicity, convenience, and wisdom. The Japanese believe that the most important things in life shouldn't be large, but rather the right size and functionality. This philosophy is really reflected in their vehicles, and perhaps this is why when a foreign company launches a K car in Japan, it has to embrace not just a product, but a tradition. Let's talk about BYD Roco's design and size. At first glance, the BYD Roco appears to be no ordinary car. Its design has been carefully crafted to suit Japanese tastes. It's small, yet it has a stylish and futuristic feel. Its body, with rounded edges and smooth lines, not only looks elegant but also creates less airflow, making it an excellent aerodynamic design. The front LED lights are thin and sharp, giving it a modern look. The wheels are small but sturdy, making it easy to maneuver around tight city streets and curves. The rear features a light bar that spans the entire width of the car, making it stand out at night. So, when you look at other K cars, the Suzuki Alto stands out for its affordable price and reliable performance. Then there's the Honda N-Box, which is really popular for its spacious interior and great features. And of course, the Daihatsu Move is well known for its lightweight design and impressive mileage. The BYD Roco, though, kinda brings together the best of all three with some new technology. It's fully electric, so you don't have to worry about petrol at all, and its motor, not an engine, runs super quietly. This is actually pretty crucial in a country like Japan, where folks tend to prioritize comfort over noise. The Roco's blade battery makes it even more unique. While older K cars involve the hassle of fuel and engine maintenance, the Roco simply needs to charge and run. Its range is also up to 300 kilometers, far exceeding the average mileage of the Honda N-Box or Daihatsu Move. While its starting price is a bit higher, it's actually cheaper in the long run after saving on petrol and maintenance. The advantage of BYD is that it's a technology-driven company. It has its own battery factory, manufactures motors, and even designs software systems. While Japanese companies are still trying to convert older engines to electric ones, BYD faces a significant challenge: trust. Japanese people tend to blindly trust local brands, and honestly, it's going to take some time for a foreign company to really gain this trust. But, after checking out the Roco's features and price, a lot of young customers are now openly saying they want to give it a try. One of the most compelling aspects of the Roco is its underlying technology, especially the blade battery. This innovation isn't just about energy density or range, it actually represents a fundamental improvement in both safety and longevity. Unlike traditional lithium-ion batteries, the blade battery's cell structure really cuts down the risk of thermal runaway, making it one of the safest battery systems out there today. This tackles a critical concern for consumers, particularly in places like Japan, where reliability and safety are absolutely non-negotiable. By integrating this technology into a compact, affordable package, BYD is making cutting-edge safety something everyday drivers can actually access. So, the biggest advantage of mini EVs is that they're affordable, they take up less space, and honestly, they're just perfect for everyday needs. In the world's large cities, where traffic and parking are, major issues, such vehicles will become a necessity of the future. BYD Roco has taken a major step in this direction. Now, it remains to be seen how quickly other companies join the race. If you found this information about BYD Roco interesting, please like this video and let us know in the comments below whether you think this small electric car will truly be a game changer for Japan and the world. And if you want to be the first to hear about new automobile updates, electric car news, and technology stories, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to be the first to receive notifications when new videos arrive. Your support is our greatest